many years I try to find a bike like this to make a review for our channel. Finally Vatsilis gave it to me, so I proudly present you a nightmare of our childhood years, teenage years, Honda NX650 Dominator. Normally I have to do an intro about a quarter, but I won't do that. I will do it in a garage episode, and I will tell you simply, we are back in 1988. Honda tries something else in a rally looking bikes, like Africa Twin 650, like a Transalp, and etc. XL600 is already old and nobody wants it. Also, all the bikes of that season, they are look like Dakar rally bikes. Like for example, Aprilia Touareg, like Yamaha bikes, and etc. But Honda give us something completely new. It's not a Dakar looking bike, it's not a play bike, it's not an enduro, it's something new. It's a bike born for the adventure. So we can say that this is the first mass production adventure bike of the history. And also Honda make all the commercial stuff about this bike in that way. So that's why we got this camel trophy with an NX650 in yellow color. So let's speak now about this lovely 80s motorcycle. What we got in this bike? It's a rich bike. First of all, it's a bike with two exhausts, and this is amazing. Think that today you got two exhausts and you say, oh, my bike has got two exhausts. Think two exhausts and 1988, two pipes. Amazing, yes? You are the king of your neighbor. So we got handles for the passenger. We got helmet holder from here. We got rubber and tooths for the footrest and rubber for the second rider. We got nice protection for the engine, protection here for the exhaust, and we got toolbox here. Also, we got hand protection. We got a bit of windscreen, and we got clock that is got everything: kilometer counter, RPM counter, fuel total trip, daily trip, and etc. So it's a well equipped bike. I'm going on it. Do I feel comfortable? I feel very, very comfortable. Everything is in a correct position. My hands are okay. My knees are okay, and I feel this single engine feeling down of my legs, you know. So let's see now with Georgia, because suppose that with this bike, those years, you can make the round of the world. So Georgia, please come.
Yes, you can.
How are you feeling?
Very nice. For these years, I think it's great.
And why you are shouting in my ears?
Because I wanted to hear me.
Enthusiasm.
Enthusiasm.
Yes, nice, nice.
It's a little bit hard, but it's an old bike.
Okay,
Yes,
so
I'm-
thank you, Georgia.
Okay, I feel comfortable, I'm not so protected, and the sound of the engine is super. The gearbox is also super, and we are moving. The first thing that we are going to do is to change directions, something that for sure we do it very easy, and the brakes. The brakes is for the season. The performance now, it's good even for today. This is a nice bike.
Engine comes directly from the middle of the 80s and XR600, but comes with a 50 more cubics and a little bit more horses. That's why we got a single 4-stroke engine with a 644 cubics that produce 44 and something horses at 6,000 RPM and 53 Nm at 5,000 RPM. 5,000 RPM. And 53 Nm, it's perfect because it's a lot of power in only 5,000 RPMs, and that means that this bike, it's then you hear it, it's like a diesel fishing boat. It's starting nice. You love it. You love it. I like it. Also, this bike has got a gearbox of 5-speed. Of course, it's got a electric starter. It's not like XR, and it's something like 160 kilos dry. The brakes, by the other hand, it's typical for the season. We got disc brake front, disc brake back, that this is important and innovation for those years, the back disc brake, but maybe it was better to put a drum back because these disc brakes are not the best possible. Of course, for that season, excellent. For our season, those brakes are good only for the dirt. But they are look very good and very adventurous. Also, if you will see the cover of the brake front, super adventure, super adventure. So, finally, what a lovely motorcycle. Some people believe that the best made motorcycles of the world are made by Honda. For sure, the truth is that many good motorcycles that they got amazing durability are made by Honda, and this one is one of those motorcycles because we are speaking for so many decades old motorcycle, and you can see that the red color here on plastic that is without varnish and the red color here that is with varnish is got a small difference. Okay, also you can see that this is hard plastics and this is hard plastics, but nothing is broken through so many decades. This is metal. Of course, this is have changed already, and if you will see all the bike, there is no corrosion nowhere. So this is not a good made motorcycle. This is an excellent made motorcycle. Και το θέμα τώρα είναι το εξής, ότι ο φίλος μου ο Τσακίρης, επειδή λέει ότι το μηχανάκι είναι καλό, θα στενοχωρηθεί πολύ, γιατί δεν θα μπορεί να μου πάρει τηλέφωνο να μου πει «Α, τι είπες και τι έκανες». Αυτά με στεναχωρούν. It's an old lady. We don't press at all, but for sure it's a nice lady to passing through dirty paths, and even if those paths are very, very, very hard. And when the rain begins to fall, we are going to finish it in a second because it's starting to rain. Back of us we got the KOKKINA just for a decor, so we will be in the season. And soon we are going to get wet, and I don't care for us but for the cameras. So this is a nice bike. Georgia, what are you think?
I love it. I love that it has nice enough braking for the category. I like the colors. I like the feeling. I like it. I like it.
Ναι ρε Τσακίρη, μας αρέσει. So, this is a lovely 80s bike that it takes us to our today's adventure motorcycles. Don't miss the garage episode of this bike with Kyler also on it. And I will start now with a philosophy. Philosophy. Ήταν η βροχή που έπεφτε και μας στίγωνε το πρόσωπό μας. Η βροχή.
Η βροχή, ναι. Το φιλόσοφο.
Και τότε μας ήρθανε οι μνήμες από τη γη που μυρίζει φθινόπορο. Νοέμβρης είναι. Και τα λουλούδια που θα ανθίσουν την άνοιξη. Και πότε θα έρθει το καλοκαίρι πια. Πότε
θα έρθει.
Αυτό ήταν.
Θα πλευριτώσουμε εδώ πέρα. Βρέχει και φυσάει.
Εντάξει, δεν κάνει κρύο μωρέ Γεωργιά, βρέχει σιγά. Λοιπόν,
So,
ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia
and Ioannis.
Me for this super show. This is Ioannis and Georgia and Ioannis for KOKKINA FEGARIA Motorcycle Rock Show under the rain. Thanks for watching.
Real-time videos.
Real life reviews. Real life reviews. And when the rain begins to fall. Κάνω εγώ τον, πώς τον έλεγαν, τον Jermaine Jackson. Εσύ τώρα για Πία Ζαντόρα δεν βγαίνεις. Εγώ 11 χρώματος ψιλοβγαίνω για Jermaine. Κομμάτια να γίνει, ας το καλό πια.